Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the Hypic app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on search bar at the bottom and type in Hypic. Make sure you spell it correctly so you get the official app. Once you find the app in the search result, tap the Get button next to it. You may need to verify with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to start downloading. After that, wait a few seconds. The app will download and install automatically on your iPhone. You will see the Hypic icon appear on your home screen. Now tap the Hypic icon to open the app. If it asks for permissions like notifications or location, you can allow them if you want the best experience or skip them. It's up to you. Next, sign up or log in if you already have an account. Usually you can use your email, number, or a social account to quickly create an account. And that's it. The Hypic app is now installed and ready to use on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.